Today we're gonna talk about corrosion control in a boiler. So, how does corrosion happen? What type of corrosion happen in a boiler? To discuss about this matter, we had some interview with the expert.
Boilers are used in industry to generate steam. Corrosion is one of the main causes of reduced reliability in steam generating systems. Any corrosion problems occur in the hottest area of the boiler, the water wall, screen and superheated tubes. Other common problem areas include derators, feedwater heaters and economizers.
Corrosion control techniques vary according to the type of corrosion encountered. Some of the corrosion are galvanic corrosion, caustic corrosion, acidic corrosion, hydrogen embrittlement, oxygen attack, and carbon dioxide attack. The most common type of galvanic corrosion in a boiler system is caused by the contact of dissimilar metals such as iron and copper. These differential cells can also be formed when deposits are present. Galvanic corrosion can occur at welds due to stresses in heat-affected zones or the use of different alloy in the welds. Anything that results in a different electrical potential at discrete surface location can cause a galvanic reaction. Cause of corrosion occur: scratches in a metal surface, differential stresses in a metal, differences in temperature, conductive deposit.
In order to operate and maintain a boiler system efficiently, it is important to treat the boiler feed water properly. This is because when steam is produced, the dissolved solids become concentrated and form deposits inside the boiler. This leads to poor heat transfer and reduces the efficiency of the boiler. Also, the dissolved gas, such as oxygen and carbon dioxide, react with the metals in the boiler system, and this leads to boiler corrosion. Thus, to protect the boiler from such contaminants, the boiler feed water should be treated properly through external or internal treatment. Let us now discuss the specifications of boiler feed water. Before using the boiler feed water in the boiler, it should be made sure that it meets the following specifications. Its hardness should be below 0.2 parts per million. Its caustic alkalinity should be between 0.15 and 0.45 parts per million. Its soda alkalinity should be between 0.45 and 1 parts per million. It should be free from turbidity and sediments. And it should be free from organic matter, oil and grease to avoid foaming. Note that in thermal power stations, feed water is usually stored, preheated and conditioned in the feed water tank, and then forwarded into the boiler through the boiler feed water pump.
Protection of steel in a boiler system depends on temperature, pH and oxygen content. Generally, higher temperatures, high or low pH levels and high oxygen concentration increase steel corrosion rates. Mechanical and operation factors such as velocities, metal stresses, and severity of service can strongly influence corrosion rates. However, systems vary in corrosion tendency should be evaluated individually.
So, you know why? Because it gives a big impact on economy and safety. That's all for today in Science TV. Thanks for watching.